or whenever your throat feels dry. But we now have a Thieves cough drop. This is really for when you have a cough, when you have a sore throat, when you need to open your nasal passages. It's a triple action formula, so fantastic product. So here's the drug fact panel. It's got natural menthol, cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus, peppermint, a very cooling sensation with all those ingredients. And of course, what it doesn't have, because it's Young Living quality, it doesn't have sugar, no dyes, no artificial flavors, or synthetic or preservatives. Complementary products, of course, anything that will help support the immune system, as well as the Thieves lozenges. Like I said, we're still going to have Thieves lozenges. I would use this as a dual product. Thieves lozenges, again, when you want some preventative product. I've been talking at the booth nonstop for the past couple days. My throat doesn't hurt, it just feels dry. So I've been popping Thieves lozenges whenever I feel like I can't say another word. And then, of course, Nutra-Red. Product information, item is 57.6, 30 drops per bag, just like the Thieves lozenges. Price is 20 and PB, full PB. And then our second over-the-counter product, I'm thrilled about this because this is our #1 seller so far at convention. Everybody that stopped by the beauty booth to try this loves it. You can immediately feel the pain relief, the cooling cream. This is a thick cream, and similar to the cough drops, we are going to still have the Thieves Cool Azul. So we have the Thieves Cool Azul Sports Gel, great for post-workout, great for a sports massage, anything like that. The gel is very viscous, easy to spread around. This is a targeted pain relief cream, so your grandmother with arthritis can use this. Anybody with achy joints or bruises, sprains, anything like that. It's got 2 active ingredients. It provides a penetrating pain relief, and then also a cooling action. So it gets down deep, and if you were able to see the video on that Dr. Booth presented, that video is going to be available Monday morning. You can share that with your downlines. It really explains the mechanism of action of how this product works. So there is some definite science behind it. So there's menthol, which is found in Cool Azul, and then the methyl salicylate is naturally found in wintergreen, and that's really the topical analgesic. So think of putting an aspirin right on your skin. It's going to help. It makes your skin feel better. It's
wintergreen and peppermint. It's wintergreen and peppermint.
Complementary products. Anything that's going to aid the body in feeling better, as well as the Cool Azul. I imagine you'd have Cool Azul for after sports workout, everything like that. You'd also have a tube of Cool Azul Pain Relief Cream used for targeted pain relief. Product information, item is 57.59, 3.4 ounces. Wholesale price is $42.75, and that is full PB. Okay, next up is our Thieves dishwashing powder. I've personally tried this. I have 2 teenagers who don't really ever rinse their dishes. They're horrible. It works great. This is a product that I've been using for a while. It works better than any top-end product on the market. I'm amazed at the efficacy of this. Again, it's a Thieves product, so it smells like Thieves. It's Thieves infused, which is fantastic. You can stop by the Healthy Home booth. They have samples of it, and you can smell it, feel it, everything like that. The key ingredients, of course, there's Thieves. There's 2 enzymes designed to break up any of the protein, helps reduce any staining on your dishes, which is fantastic. It's made with naturally derived, non-GMO ingredients. Of course, it doesn't have dyes, phosphates, artificial fragrances, or synthetic surfactants, so it's an all-natural dish powder for your dishwasher. Complementary products, any of our Thieves cleaning products work great with this. I just have to highlight, one of my favorite things about this product is it comes in a small bag. You look at this and you think, wow, that's tiny. That's going to last me 4 washes. It doesn't. It comes with a scoop. It's a tablespoon scoop. You can use 1 tablespoon for a normal load, 2 tablespoons if you have, if it's Thanksgiving, you've got 75 dishes crammed in your dishwasher. I've been able to use half of a scoop for just a really average load. So we really took all the unnecessary water out. It's a fine powder, great product. It looks small, but it's powerful, packs a powerful punch. $24.75 full PV, and like I said, there is a tablespoon scoop in here. Another favorite product of mine, I have a dog, he loves this. We tested this product out for a couple of months, never met a dog that didn't eat this right up. So it's designed with, it's specially designed, it's a bar, and it's got grooves in the bar, so the dog is going to rotate the chew around, really work at it. Those grooves are going to get in between their teeth and really kind of abrasively, in a gentle way, get rid of the plaque and tartar. This is just a great product. And of course, it's naturally derived ingredients. There's 10 chews per bag, so it's indicated 2 chews a week for a dog. If you have a smaller dog, you could break a chew in half, you know, more manageable for the smaller dogs, or you can just break a chew in half and give it 4 times a week, you know, whatever. There are 2 extra chews in here. If you do that 2 times a week, there are 2 extra chews in here, so for when your dog is being especially good or especially bad, you need to pull them out. Key ingredients: peppermint, spearmint, pea fiber, green tea extract. You'll notice there's 2 mints in there, so it really does help freshen your pet's breath. Like I said, the chew is designed to break up to abrasively get rid of the plaque and tartar, but then there's also mint in there that'll help freshen breath. And of course, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, and no preservatives. Any of the Animal Sense products are great complementary to this. This is item 5761. And like I said, there's 10 1-ounce chews per bag. And of course, you can break them in half if you want to use them more as treats. You can give them whole as the dental efficacy. These are 1975 wholesale and PV, full PV, 1975. You can stop by the kids booth, the kids and animal booth, to take a look at these, feel them. They're pretty big chews, they're pretty hard, and they work great. Lastly, we have the Royan Hawaiian Sandalwood Soap Collection. This is exclusive to convention, so if you stop by the beauty booth and you really like these, I would definitely recommend buying them. They're going to sell out. We have a limited number of these. The sandalwood is from our